Here is the Nokia G21. I want to show you how to insert the SIM card as well as double check the mobile settings. So the first thing we got to do is go ahead and take out this SIM/SD card tray. So go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool. It comes out of your box. If you don't have one of these laying around, you can use another SIM ejection tool from a different phone. You can even use like a thin paper clip or bobby pin, even the back of a stud earring, as long as the needle is kind of long and thin. Okay, so if you look at the phone, top left hand side, see that little tray, the outline of the tray, and a little tiny hole right there. We're going to put the needle into the hole, and I'm going to press in towards the phone. So I'm going to press towards the phone, and that little tiny lip pops out just a little bit, as you can see right there. And you kind of have to, you may have to go ahead and wiggle this out a little bit, just like this. Now you can see I have the dual SIM version where I have two SIMs. Okay, so the SD card will go here, SIM 1 will go here, and SIM 2 will go here. Okay, so let me go and grab my SIM card here. Now I pulled it out just like this, okay, and I didn't turn it over or nothing, so it's just like this. And there's a diagonal slit on the bottom right hand side of the SIM. So I'm going to put my SIM card in there just like that, and it just leans on top. If you turn it over, it's going to fall out. Okay, now if you have a SIM 2, this one doesn't work, but it goes in the same way. Okay, the diagonal slits on the bottom right hand side, and it will go on there. Okay, anyway, I only have one. This one here is not active, so I'm just going to keep one in there. And then when you put it in, you have to make sure you're very careful, because like I said, if you turn it over, it's going to fall out. So you just want to kind of hold it a little bit. And right now it says no SIM card up there. I'm going to go ahead and slide this in now, just like that. I'm going to pop it in there, and then let's see if it finds it. Okay, it says T-Mobile there, and I can see my reception bars, and I already got a voicemail here. Okay, T-Mobile is my carrier here in the United States. So let's go ahead and double check the mobile settings now. So let's go to settings here. We can swipe up in the middle screen like that, and we're going to go to settings. My settings is right here. I'm going to tap this first one up here. It says network and internet. Let's tap on that right there, and then let's tap down here where it says mobile network. Okay, under mine it says T-Mobile in the US. Again, that's my carrier. Let me go ahead and tap on that right there. And okay, so they turned on my mobile data, but you can see right here by default they turned off my data roaming. Okay, I like to have mine on. Some of you guys may get charged up to a certain point or whatnot. I have free unlimited data roaming, so I always leave mine on. And we have the enhanced down here is checked, the 4G LTE, and everything here looks good. So for me, I'm ready to rock and roll. Okay, any questions or issues, comment below. Good luck, guys.